So task 25 wants us to create a one-to-many relationship as a link between the distributor code field in the distributor table and the distributor field in the cars table. So it's joining two tables together. Okay. Now, just a really quick one. Why we're doing that? Well, I know because I've looked at it that later on it's going to ask us to produce a report, which in theory is basically a query. And produce a query and then report, and we have to show certain fields. And have a look, it's asking us to join the VIN, show the model, show the power, show the engine size, cost price, color, which is there, distributor, which is there, and this delivered price, which isn't there, and the port, which isn't there. Okay, so these are on the S16 cars table. So the other fields that we need are going to be on the other table. So instead of the S16, it's going to be on the S16 distributors. Now, at the moment, if I create a query, okay, I can create a query from that S16 table because I need all this data here. If I then also try to create a query, because I need a query which is going to have information from both tables, because that's what the question asks me for here, okay, down here. When I try and do that, and I try and get some information from this table as well, from distributors, okay, basically what it's going to do is going to say I have chosen fields from two tables and I haven't joined them together yet in a relationship. Okay, so in the exam, if you get that, it means you haven't done the relationship properly, so we need to do that first. Okay, so let's cancel that. So really easily to do the relationship, we have to go to database tools and relationships. Now, what you should pop up is this table here. Okay, if it doesn't, then what you need to do is right click and show table, and we are adding these two tables. Okay, and it's asking us to, and I know, so I'm going to do this quickly, join S16 distributors and the distributor code field to distributor in the S16 cars. So you join it like that. Okay, now in the exam itself, if we go up to the create a one-to-many relationship, which is what we're doing, okay, it does say insert a copy of the screenshot into your evidence document. For me, I would be screenshotting two things. I could create that, okay, relationship one-to-many, create it like that. That would be one screenshot, and this will be the other screenshot. Okay, that's showing how you create a relationship. Now, when you go to exit creating a relationship here, or close relationships, it asks you if you want to save the relationship. You say yes, and that's that task done. Okay, so now, when we come to do our query, like I did earlier, when I want to use both tables, I'm going to get all the information from there, and I'm going to use some information from there, and for now I'm going to just copy them all across. I've used information from two tables for my query, and because I've related them tables and joined them together, it's got no problem in letting me create that query. Okay, that's a relational database, so please make sure you know it.